Good afternoon, drivers. Today we're going to talk about the inspection tool that we give you when you first start here. The first thing we can use our inspection tool for is the larger nub on the one end. We put it down in the tire to see if it bottoms out. If it doesn't bottom out, it means that you have more tread than 430 seconds and it is still legal. The second thing we can check with our inspection tool with a smaller nub is our drive tire and trailer tires. Legal is 230 seconds, and as long as you're not bottoming out in the bottom, then these are still legal. The third thing that we can check with our inspection tool is brake lining thickness. You take this part here, and if you can slide it into that hole, which you definitely can, on this one, with the brakes locked, brakes pulled, if you can get that in there, which you have plenty of room here. Next, we're going to check brake stroke length. The first thing we do is we check our brakes released, and we can see down there what we do is we take either look at that rod if you can see it cleanly, or we measure from the brake canister to one of the center of one of those pins. With our tool, we can look down here, we can see how far in the brake rod is in. And once we've set the brakes, we can see how far the brake rod is out. And when we take our tool and we measure it, we're less than 2 inches. From here, from the end to the middle part is 2 inches, and from the end to the other end is 2.5 inches. We want to be less than 2 inches, and we can tell by the wear mark on the rod that we are about 1.5 inches. The last thing we can check with our inspection tool is for chips in the windshield. We use the large hole in the tool, and if we had a chip in this windshield, we would put it up against the chip, and as long as that chip is smaller than that hole, which is 3/4 of an inch across, we're still DOT legal. If it's any bigger than that, write a maintenance report and we'll get it fixed. Thank you for this maintenance minute on our tractor and trailer inspection tool, and please do good pre and post trips and drive safely out there.